You ever heard to yourself, don't get a credit card? A lot of people are in the mind of credit cards like they're going to give you some massive amount of debt out of nowhere. Credit cards can be an amazing tool to help build your wealth, raise your credit score, and even get bonuses along the way. What I want to do today is I want to show you the 5 top credit cards right now based on the bonuses and other factors, and how getting these is going to improve your life and improve your financial wellness. Okay, so these are going to be in no particular order, but these are just 5 cards that are going to be amazing, have great bonus potential, and they do not have annual fees for you. Okay, number 1 is going to be the Wells Fargo Active Cash Card. This one has a $200 bonus, no annual fee, and it's going to be a 2% cashback return on everything. Okay, number 2 is going to be US Bank plus the Visa Signature Card, no annual fee, 5% cash back on your first $2,000 in purchases, $200 intro offer. Okay, now number 3 is actually my personal favorite. This one's going to be the Chase Freedom Flex. No annual fee on this. You can also earn 5% until you spend $1,500 in combined purchases, 3% on dining and drugstores, and 1% on all other purchases. And like the other ones, this one does have a $200 bonus as well that you can do when you spend $500 or more on the card in the first 3 months. Next up is going to be the Bank of America Customized Cash Card. There's going to be no annual fee on this, 3% cash back in a category of your choice, 2% at grocery stores, 1% on all other purchases, and this one also does have a $200 intro offer. Now, last on the list is going to be the Capital One Quicksilver Cash Rewards, $0 annual fee, unlimited 1.5% cash back, and then you can enjoy 6 months of complimentary Uber when you actually open up this card, and then $200 intro reward. So the biggest things here is that these cards are not meant to hurt you. They can give you $200 in bonuses, start raising your credit score as long as you pay them on time every single month and in full. Got a couple videos over here. If you like these, go ahead and give them a watch.